Hello everybody, my name is Ariella and I am the Done For You girl. That's right, I do it for you. I am sitting here in Thailand just checking my account balance here and come here, take a look. You see this? This is $92,000! What would you do with $92,000 in your bank account? Now, I'm inviting you today to click the button below and join me now in my live training. In fact, I will do all the work for you. And if I waste your time or if you think it's not worth it, I will give you $100 right now. Now, I want to show you another thing because this is the honest truth. Come here. Everyone is making their first sales. Everyone is making money in my program. Look at this. This is a check from ClickBank. Someone made their first sale in less than 24 hours. And I'm inviting you to do the same. I can show you social proof for days, but let's stop talking and let's start making the money. Let's go. Click the button below.